Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for joining me and welcome today's video. So today I'm going to be testing out some new makeup. If you guys saw my New Year's Eve tutorial, you guys saw that your girl got some new makeup. So today I'm going to be testing out some new foundation. And I will be testing out the not so new NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundations. This is what they look like. So this foundation was created in collaboration or with the help of the amazing Alyssa Ashley. I absolutely love her. I had the pleasure of meeting her and I just needed to get my hands on this. And here we are. Here we are. So I'm gonna test out the foundation, let you guys know my thoughts, how it feels, all that good stuff. And yeah, let me know if you guys want me to do like a 24-hour wear or like just a wear test. This is supposed to be long lasting, but you know, you never know. So first I'm gonna start off by taking my Pond's moisturizer. This is what she looks like. She real light. And I'm just going to use this. This is a very thick moisturizer, but I love it. It is perfect for this winter because Lord knows it's cold out here. I need to put some on my hands. They're a little ashy out here. Alright, so for my primer, I'm going to be taking the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. I have two shades of the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I have the shade Cinnamon and I have the shade Gold Honey. Now, I went on a limb. I hope one of these are my shade. Okay, so first I'm going to try Golden Honey. And I'm just going to put her right here. Okay. She's very golden. But not too bad, not too bad. You guys know I like to be a little bit on the dark side. And then this one is Cinnamon. Oh, I didn't think Cinnamon was gonna work for me, but I think I like her. Honestly, I think I would be a perfect match of both. And I'm glad that I got these two shades. Yeah, because if you see the mix of them, Cinnamon looks like it's gonna be a little too, it might oxidize on me and look a little red. Golden looks a little too golden, but I feel like the mix, that's what this is in the middle. I think that it might work in my favor, so I'm just gonna mix them. We just gonna mix them today. A drugstore foundation is always just hard. It's a hit or miss because of the fact that it's in the drugstore and you can't really test it out really. I mean, I do, but a lot of times, oh, it is going good. A lot of times what I like to do is go on YouTube and just look at a blogger that I know is my shade. So I'll go and see who has like NC44 and I will, you know, go based off that with new foundations, the new foundations that they try, and they'll just be like they'll be like who I refer back to whenever there's new foundations out. That's why beauty bloggers are so amazing, because you know, you check them out before you buy. Like, you try before you buy. You see what they got to say before you actually buy it. So shout out to us. You hear me? Shout out to us. Alright, so for my concealer, I got the new Jouer High Coverage Liquid Concealer, and these are them right here. I got one in Dulce de Leche and the other one in Honey. I'm going to take Dulce de Leche and I'm just going to apply her. Actually, you want to kind of move quickly with this concealer, so I'm gonna focus on underneath my eyelids first because of the fact that this is super thick. Okay, so that one is lighter, and then I'm gonna take Honey and add that there for some extra brightness. And then I'm going to give my face a little bit of mist. This is the Soothing Facial Mist with rose water. And I'm just going to begin to blend this out. Now this concealer is way lighter than what I usually go in with, but I thought it was time. Thought it was time to grow up. Just kidding. I am going for that super highlighted look today, apparently. This concealer is super thick and very creamy. You want to kind of work pretty quickly because you want to make sure that you get that blended down. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take the side where I had foundation, and I'm really going to work that side in and blend it out because I am looking very highlighted, which isn't a bad thing. It's just not what I'm used to. Alright, so because I'm using such a light concealer, I'm going to go ahead and cream contour. I wasn't going to, but I'm like, I need something to tone this down. So I'm just going to take a little bit right here. This is my Maybelline Super Stay in the shade 356. And I'm just going to use this brush to blend it out. But it is very, very matte. But it's like, it has like a velvety texture. Like my skin looks velvet right now. And so I'm not mad at it. I'm okay with this. So for my setting powder, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Banana Bread setting powder. This is the first time I'm using this. It has like a floral scent. That's interesting. So I'm just gonna blow off and make sure underneath my eyes are well blended. And we're just going to set. The scent is pretty, it's obvious for sure, for sure. So yeah, like I said, if you don't really like scented products, I don't know if you're gonna like that. Next I'm gonna be taking my Sigma Sculpt Contour and Highlight palette. You guys know I have been loving this palette lately. I have, ever since I got this palette, I have not picked up my Anastasia one. And I used to use that all the time, so Sigma did good. Next we're going to be taking my MAC Studio Fix powder, and I'm just going to add this all over my face to just bring some color back into my skin before I proceed. Just going to contour my nose slightly. I've been actually really liking how contour has been looking on me. Usually I don't, but lately I have. I'm going to use this powder to clean up my contour. Alright you guys, so I'm going to finish the remainder of my face off camera and I will be back to let you guys know my thoughts. Alright you guys, so I completed my face off camera. If you guys are loving these eyes, please be sure to check out my video for this look because I basically cut this into two to give you guys this foundation review and just testing out new products, and I just broke it up, you know, face wise and then eye wise. So be sure to check that out. To get down to the nitty gritty of this foundation, it is a yes for me. This actually might compete with my favorite ever, the Super Stay Matte Foundation by Maybelline. Yeah, it's a yes. Oh yes, it is a heck yes. This foundation, like my skin, thing that I really appreciate about this foundation is the fact that it's matte, but it has like a velvety finish and it doesn't look too dry, it doesn't look too cakey, it just blended into my skin. I used a really good moisturizer, so I'm glad that I did that. But I like it. I like it a lot. It did have like a funny smell to it. Not a funny smell, let me not say that because that sounded a little too deep. It had like a scent to it. Let me just say that. It had a scent to it. It was a different scent, but it didn't really bother me too much. I think this foundation retails for like $11 to $12. I am loving how my skin looks. Hello. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, let me know your thoughts. I feel like in the shade range, there's a wide shade range, so shout out to Alyssa for that. The colors that I chose, I felt like were a great match for me. I am loving this, y'all, and I hope you guys did too. Please be sure to check out my video on these eyes if you guys are interested. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you guys are feeling these foundation reviews. Let me know if there's any foundations that you guys would like me to try, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.